So we are asked to factor by grouping. You want to group the first two and the last two terms together and always make sure there's a plus sign in between. Then you want to look for the greatest common factor in each group. So between 8 and 10, the greatest common factor is going to be a 2. And then x cubed and x squared, we can take out 2 x's. So we can take out a 2x squared, and that leaves us with 4x minus 5. Now you want the second group to match the first. So what can you take out of 28 and 35 that would result in 4x minus 5? Well, 28 and 35 are both divisible by 7. So if you factor out a 7, you are left with 4x minus 5. So you want those to be the same. They come out as one factor, and then what's left in front is your other factor.